Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1-2 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change A's in Epic Games. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Epic Games interface and make sure you are logged into it. Once you are done, simply click on this profile icon in the top right corner and click on account. Now we are in account settings. Here we can see various options like changing our display name, email address, and first name, last name, and we can even change our address, but we have got no option to change our age here. So if we yet want to change the age, what we can do is get into need help over here and report a problem saying that we have mistaken our age. After that, we'll get a reply from Epic Games, after which we'll be able to change our age. But if not that, we won't be able to change our age only through settings. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.